One day you notice a crack in your driveway. You begin to be concerned about where did this come from and will it get bigger? I would also have those concerns as well. What if I told you this crack could be repaired and prevent more damage? Stick around to hear how easy driveway cracks can be repaired. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales at AccuLevel. I've been around the foundation business since my family started AccuLevel in 1996. I began working full-time at AccuLevel in 2013. There's many things that can cause cracks in your driveway. It could be that the slab itself is actually moving and begins to shear, which is what you're seeing with the crack. It can also mean that there was a malfunction in the pour of the concrete and it's beginning to give way and weaken. Or the last is if you're from an older age, you probably grew up and heard there's two types of concrete, the kind that has cracked and the kind that's going to crack, which just means it cracks because it's so hard, it's so brittle, and it's outside in your conditions. A lot of times when you have cracks in your driveway, sidewalks, or patios, these are not structural cracks, they're cosmetic. But what they can cause is they can allow water in underneath that slab, allow that to wash out and sink, which can become a safety hazard and be a tripping problem. There's a few parts to repairing the cracks in your driveway. Number one, once you've identified the crack that you want to repair, the first step is going to actually be to grind that crack out to make it wider. Step two is going to clean all the debris out of that crack, below that crack. Then you're going to add some very fine sand to fill any kind of voids that might be down underneath that slab. Finally, you're going to use a self-leveling caulk to run through that crack, let it evenly disperse itself, and let it cure to seal that crack. If you have concerns about a crack in your driveway, give us a call to schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors. You can also go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button in the top right corner. Fill out the form and we will contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about cracks in your driveway? If so, please leave them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer those questions for you. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. We noticed that about 99% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. So if you could take a second to like and subscribe, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.